Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 things that you need to incorporate into your fall front porch this year. So if you love fall and love decorating for fall, this video is for you. Also be sure to check out my other fall videos that I'll have linked below. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Noelle. I make new videos like this every single week on home decor and showing you guys how to get the high-end-looking home that you want at a price point that you can afford. So definitely consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and get into this fall front porch. I like to start with a blank canvas, so I've cleared everything off the front porch to get ready to decorate it for fall. The first thing you need for your fall front porch is a doormat to ground the space that really brings those fall vibes in through color and pattern or both. I'm layering this jute rug with this fun striped mat that brings in those fall tones and adds some texture to the space as well. And I love the little fringe detail it has too. Next, you want to incorporate fall plants into your porch design. I'm using these mums in tones that match the fall colors that I'm going with this year. I'm also adding in this cabbage to add in some more interest, and I've put them in these cute little wicker baskets as planters to add another layer of texture and warmth. And a little trick to keep your mums alive all season is to pluck off the dead blooms and keep them really well watered. And what would a fall front porch be without pumpkins? I'm using a variety of real and faux pumpkins, and I made these faux pumpkins in my last fall video. I love this fairy tale pumpkin with the deep green, and I'm stacking this orange pumpkin on top of it just to add some more height. I also found this really cool pumpkin that almost looks woven but has that pretty peachy pumpkin color underneath of it that I love. It just adds so much texture. And you want to make sure that you're incorporating all different colors and shapes and sizes to keep it really interesting. I'm also adding some pumpkins over to this corner to mimic and balance the other vignette. Again, using different colors and shapes and sizes. And then I'm popping one more down over here by the other mum as well. And adding these cute little concrete pumpkins in the rock bed. Next up for your fall front porch, it's important to incorporate some kind of lighting. This lantern ties in well with my porch sconce, and I actually snagged this at Goodwill for $5.95. This is going to add such a nice ambiance at night and really bring in that fall feel. And to bring that color up to eye level, a fall wreath is a must. I couldn't find one that I loved, so I actually made this one. And I just used this $4 wreath, this bunch of dried grass that has lots of nice movement to it, and a mixed bunch of dried eucalyptus, and I got both of these from Hobby Lobby. So I just started by adding the base of the wreath, which was this grass. And I just went around the wreath placing the grass in at an angle so that it created this nice sweeping movement around the edges. Once I had my base, I went in with the eucalyptus to add some color and more visual interest. I really like that this bunch came with a bunch of different colors as well as eucalyptus varieties. And once I had those in place, I went in with more of the grass just to fill in any gaps and make it all flow together nicely. And that finishes off this fall wreath. Okay guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I also wanted to mention that if you're not following me over on Instagram, definitely consider following me. I'm actually about to start the fall one room challenge over there. I'm going to be completely redoing my son's, both of my boys' room, and I'm going to be sharing the whole process over there, behind the scenes and everything like that. So I actually did this office for the spring one room challenge. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely go and check it out. Consider following me over there and consider subscribing here as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.